guys, Chef Hawks here again. So I have a nice beef round eye here that we're going to be using, but you can also use other cuts of beef as well, as long as they're relatively lean. It does have a little fat back here, but I'm going to trim this off because we're going to be making jerky today. A great way of preserving beef, but also just good for a snack. Now that our beef has had several hours to soak in all of our marinade, we're going to space all of this out in our dehydrator. I'm going to turn it up to 160 and let it dehydrate for about 4 to 5 hours until it's just about right. Time to cover this up. We're going to go ahead and set this on 160 degrees so that way we can make sure that we cook this to the safe temperature, but we're also then going to go ahead and set it for 5 hours. That should give it enough time to dry it just to where we want it to be. Now let's take a look. There's some great jerky here now. It's got a nice chew factor to it. Nice and dry though, so this will keep really well for at least a couple of weeks. If you want to keep it for longer, then you can always put it into the refrigerator, or you can freeze it for up to about 6 months, as long as you keep it in a Ziploc, so that way it doesn't get any freezer burn to it. Enjoy.